Today, we're talking about sockets, which are a new feature coming to Sticky3D Controller. They work with the interactive object system. They can be used with all sorts of objects, but today I'm using them for a weapon rack. I have a drop ship from Tech Demo 4, a minigame under development for Sci-Fi ship controller. See the links below. In the drop ship I've added some game objects where I want my weapons to be placed in the racks. We could add a sticky socket component to each game object in the editor. Or we can do it in code at runtime. I'll enable our player character to look at sockets. We could use a custom material, but for now, the default one will be fine. Auto Show will highlight the socket when our character is looking at one. I'm using some demo sticky pop-up module prefabs to display menus when our character wants to engage with a socket. You can use our demo prefabs, configure your own pop-up module prefabs, or call our APIs directly. Our system is very flexible. When the character is looking at a socket, we want the user to be able to engage with a socket by pressing a button. In our case, the F key. It could also be a button, for example, an Xbox gamepad. When the user presses the F key, our input module tells the sticky character to engage with what we're looking at. We are looking at a socket, so, in this case, it opens our default pop-up menu. I can now select from Equip, Grab, Stash or Cancel. When the socket is empty, I can decide to place the held weapon back on the rack. An equip point could be used to attach the weapon to the back of our character. We can use interactive tags to determine which objects are compatible with a socket. These can also be used on equip points, for like a weapon holster. As you can see, sockets are a useful addition to the Sticky3D interactive system.
Support us on Patreon to help us create more content, and thanks for watching.